Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the multicolored TV backlight. This comes with two LED light strips that add an ambient glow to the back of your TV, and as I mentioned, they are multicolored. Now, these are really awesome. They add a touch of modernity and uniqueness to your TV setting, and what's great about them is that they're super easy to install. It's just a USB cord that you have to plug in, so only one power source. You plug this into the back of your TV, into your USB outlet, and then you just use the 3M strips on the back of the light strips to stick these wherever you want that's convenient for you on the back of your TV. And the other nice thing about this is it makes it really easy to take them off without damaging your TV. Now, these use SMD LEDs, which are the latest in LED technology, and they allow you to have up to 15 different colors to choose from, and you can have them either static or there's a whole bunch of different color changing modes that you can choose from, between flashing, strobe, fading, all different kinds, and you can even choose the speeds of them, and you can all do it from the handy remote that's actually built right into the USB cord. Now, once you have this plugged into your TV, you don't have to do anything else. It goes on and off along with your TV, and it will remember the last setting that you were on when you turn your TV back on. Now, these fit any size TV. The strips come in 20 inches, and you can bend them and shape them around the back of your TV, or if you have a really big TV, you can actually double up on these and use a USB hub so that you can power multiple at the same time. Now, aside from these looking really cool and modern and unique, they have a really practical benefit as well. The ambient glow behind your TV will actually reduce eye strain while you're watching for long periods of time. This is really important at night before you go to bed so you don't have any headaches or anything like that. And it's just a really inexpensive way to upgrade your entertainment system and having it looking awesome. We have a phenomenal deal on this, and you're going to save more when you buy more, so make sure you count up all the TVs in your house so you can put these everywhere. Head on over to the site and grab yours today.